Let's put some gravy on it.
Alright, so I'm stealing content from Skis. This was his idea.
No, it's not your idea.
But I busted out the Speed Sport today. We cruising. And Skis is lowered. And there's Benji. Benji!
They do, but
hi Benji!
custom.
Hi Benji!
And especially like the
Hey bud! Hi! I don't have any snacks for you.
Yeah, the spacer, they may only make them for the
Yeah, so my crappy wrap drop. Garbage.
Metropolitan.
Garbage. But I didn't use a heat gun like Markwell did. His wrapping came out super dope on his Harley. But yeah, so I got my 2002 tags on today, so we good. The GoPro mount I have, it doesn't work. I'd have to mount it up here, but I believe it's illegal in California to have your GoPro mount on top. So, yeah, shout out to Shasta. But, yeah, cruising a day before I got to go work tomorrow morning. And then what everybody loves on the channel is the wagon. So, just hung out with my dad, did run a bunch of errands for him, ran all my errands, paid all my bills for the month. Excuse me, so bank account looking weak. So I gotta go to work and not make sure I don't miss any days. And keep driving the scooter because it's good on gas. I think I'm like, the gas is like, I got full tank still of 91, so I'm good. All right. So let's go walk with Skis to the mailbox.
Well, I've got to wait for
Mark Quill's
house. Quill's. Huh? How far is the mailbox? Like 6 miles.
Yeah, so we're gonna do 6 miles. We're gonna do a Spartan race to the mailbox.
All the way by the fucking,
It's over there. Benji, get over here. Come here.
Come. Mark, let me go steal content real quick. Steal Mark Quill's content.
it's all good. He's a child.
He's doing a rap on his bike. Coming out hella good. Hey, you recycle, right? Markwell?
Yeah, what is it?
Huh? Where did you put the cans? I'm gonna go right here. Let's go to the mailbox.
Alright.
Hey, where you guys leave without me? Hey. Oh, I was gonna say, what the hell? Oh, fire again.
Oh, shit.
It's close by too.
Close by. That's normal over here.
It's a lot of homeless people like to barbecue and set things on fire to stay warm.
Yep.
Welcome to the south side.
There it is.
Really? You rode your bike this far just to go to the mailbox?
Hey, I ride my scooter all the way to my mailbox.
Hey, but we're
Can't
old.
take that
We're
key
old.
out. No, this is our key. That big one?
Yeah.
Okay. No. That big box is your guys'?
No, I don't know, but my key went in
So
there.
something came inside the...
No, I don't know. I'm missing my
That should be only for the mailman,
I
right?
ordered it from Amazon though.
Oh, if it's Amazon, then it's coming from
No,
Amazon.
yeah, come to the door, not on the mailbox.
How'd you open that?
I don't know. I don't know if it was open already or not.
Oh, so they open. So, so this is what happened. Which one's yours? I forgot what one. Okay, so when you get a big package, there's a key that's supposed to be hanging out of here. And if you get a big package, they put that big package in here, and they take the key out and put it inside your mailbox. So when you open your mailbox, there's the key.
Key side, yeah.
Open it. It's a one-time key.
Ralph just showed up. Oh, there's, yeah, see. Bet you they just burning shit to stay warm. It's
Or
black smoke though.
It's a major barbecue.
The recycle place again?
And we're not
the
invited.
tires, huh?
Kind of hungry. No.
So, I'm burning some lechon.
Hey!
He said, oh, we're recording. So, Ralph? Got Ralph's bike.
Oh, okay.
That's a small.
This is a small.
If you want to try that one out. I have a small here.
This is a small now. I'm about to press order now.
He's,
I think it might be a medium, bro.
he's a grower, not a shower.
One of my helmets. He wants to buy a
Oh
similar.
no.
I told you it might
Too
be a
tight,
medium,
or
bro.
is it fit?
I'm medium.
Medium?
Look at my face.
Can't breathe.
Damn, but it
That helmet's giving you a face hug.
feels so good though.
What kind of helmet is that?
It's a cur.
Bitwell. This is the one I want to get.
You want to walk around on the bike?
Hell
No,
yeah.
I like it. I
What
think
you got,
I'm
Ralph?
gonna get
Let's tell a little story what we be working
it. I don't
with.
give a fuck.
So this is my 2017 Sportster 48. If you guys don't know, 48 is because in 1948-ish, they had the little peanut tank. The only thing annoying about it is I keep having to fill up gas because it doesn't go very far.
How many, it's like, how many gallons?
It's like 2 gallons.
2 gallons? Oh, damn.
Yeah. But I like the style of the bike, so this is the Sportster 48. Got a CC bar. I want to show you guys this exhaust that we custom made. So this is a Rolling Sands exhaust.
Let me bust out the light. Oh, I don't have my phone, goddammit.
No good. I got my phone. You need some light? This is a Rolling Sands design exhaust, but it was made for a bike that was mid controls. These are forward controls, meaning the controls are up more for taller people, and mid controls, the
Sit in the mid.
shifter and the clutch is on this side.
Okay.
But the exhaust came down this way after the fact. I bought it used over
You had no issues with
past
the...
Sacramento. So me and my friend, June actually,
Okay.
we chopped this,
Shit.
bought extra piping at AutoZone, had the guy down the street, asked him, hey, can you weld these pipes together? It was a okay job. It looked a little garage built, so we wrapped it up. Can't even tell.
Mm.
So this is custom Rolling Sands design exhaust.
Shit, look hella good though, shit.
Got the Biltwell window bars,
Oh, yeah, I haven't seen those.
Moon's MC headlight. Changed my grips recently.
Yeah, that's what's
Tracker die.
different. Looks nice.
It's my baby.
Yeah, I was telling Skis about that Triumph, remember the one we saw?
The bobber? Yeah.
Bro, I'm thinking about buying that one. But then at the same time, it's like, I'm just worried about, do they make parts like they make for Harley? Because Harley makes everything.
Triumph? Should have a lot of parts. They've been around for a while.
You seen that one, the picture that they posted of Randy's bike?
Yeah, that's Triumph.
That's the one
the
he's
bobber.
talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see it in person at the dealership.
So when he's talking about it's 1200 too.
The 1200 liquid cooled.
Mm-hmm.
So you can
And
go longer trips with those. Don't have to worry about overheating.
is that, man, right when we saw that, dude, that broke my neck. That's why I'm like, man, but if I get a road glide.
Oh yeah, definitely Harley Davidson. Yeah.
Hey, you get a bike, you're gonna get a lot of guys, bro. You're gonna get a lot of
Oh,
guys.
shit.
Trust me. Oh, that's your bike? It's a nice bike, dude.
Huh.
I don't know, for some reason, older women are attracted to my bike. Like older
They
women.
want you
She's
guys
sugar mama.
I know, for real. Catch me up.
Damn, look at the seat
Yeah,
too.
that's a small. This seat's from 2020 Iron 1200. So I really like the seat, so I found it on Facebook Marketplace.
Oh, we got a good deal. Damn, score.
My ears are like fucking folded. Oh, that's cool.
HB sticker, hell yeah.
If it's Amazon, then it's Amazon.
Oh, what happened to Drake's toys coming off?
No, it used to be gold, but it's a little sun damage. But
Okay.
probably
Oh yeah, this feels way
Yeah, I
good.
really like I ain't gonna lie, Ralph, this is probably, out of everyone's bike, yours is the one I always like. I love this style. Where are you going?
I'm just trying out the helmet.
Do a wheelie. Do a wheelie.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
You're so cool.
Whoa.
Back home.
Just hung out with my friends. Spent the day running all my errands, paying the bills, and then heading to my dad's, running all his errands. And then I had some free time, so I stopped by Ski's house and kicked it with Marquel and Skis. And then Ralph came through, so that was really cool seeing everybody. And just got to chill for a bit, and then rode home, and it was a smooth ride. The scooter's running great. Skis is going to help me play with the carburetor to adjust the idle. He's really good at mechanic work when it comes to doing things like that. So that's why I rather head to his place and, work on the scooter because he has one as well. So, yeah. So it was a pretty cool day. I got to get up in like 5 hours. So better go to bed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe and also like the video. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow. I am doing a giveaway on the steering wheel. Once I hit the 1K, I will be picking a winner from my channel to give you guys a steering wheel. And then after that, we'll pick up another giveaway and do something else. So I'm already kind of have an idea what I'm going to do. So just make sure you guys, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. God, I'm already tired. All right, I'll see you guys. Peace.